Hello, my name is Kelsey Wimberly, and I'm going to be walking you through Skittles Activity. So we'll go ahead and start with the student side here. Students are first asked to enter their name, and then they can start. So this first screen here, students are asked to identify the flavors of regular Skittles, and a check mark will appear next to the box when they're correct. But if they do not enter a correct flavor within 15 seconds, a note is slid onto the desk here saying try flipping the bag by clicking on it. So when you do click on it, you can see on the back that all the flavors are listed. So a little background on this activity. It was originally an in-person activity, and my dad was one of the people that would do it in elementary schools. He would bring lots of bags of Skittles to teach kids the basics of statistics. And he was worried that this activity couldn't really be done again once COVID-19 hit. So he asked if I could turn this into a virtual experience for the kids. So once you've put in all the flavors, you're asked to make a hypothesis by clicking on the box next to the flavor you think will be most popular, and then you can continue on to the bar graph. So kids are then able to drag each color Skittle onto their respective line, and it gives a very good visual representation of how many of each Skittle they have. So I'm just going to jump ahead here. So once students have put every Skittle onto the bar graph, they will be prompted to answer some math questions. So the first set is comparisons between the different flavors, and then they have to solve equations. So if they get an answer correct, then they receive a check mark, but if they are wrong, they receive an X. So I'll quickly go through these. And once everything is answered correctly, they can continue on to their pie chart. So this shows the total number of Skittles and the number of each different flavor, as well as the percentage of each flavor. And once they've seen this, they are told to tell their teacher the numbers of each of their Skittles to add them to the class pie chart. So let's go ahead and do that now. So in the teacher side of things, they start with a blank pie chart, and they have an add data button. So you can come over here and add each student's numbers to their pie chart. And you hit add data again, and now you can see number of students finished has increased, and the percentages remain, and you can continually add data. So if we just add some random numbers here, you can see number of students finished has gone up, total Skittles has gone up as well, and you can now see that the percentages have adjusted accordingly. This has been a brief walkthrough of Skittles Activity. Thank you for watching.